I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it.
Hey guys, it's Honesty. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I have received my first promotional video, sponsored video, guys. So I'm super excited about that. So the company who sent me this gorgeous crochet hair, okay, it's crochet hair, which I love. Yeah, the company that sent me this hair is Perfect Hair Girl. So shout out to them. They can be found on amazon.com, of course, guys. So yeah, so let me just get into it. So this is how the hair came in this package, guys. And the hair that they sent me is the Passion Twist, and it's in 10" and the color is T27. I requested that color, by the way, guys. I needed some color in my hair for this Christmas. So in total, it's 8 packs of hair, and within each pack it's 12 strands, so that rounds up to about 96 strands in total. So this can definitely do a full pack of hair. So this is how it looks. So in each of these, like I mentioned, is 12 in each pack. And of course, it comes with a crochet hook. This is definitely needed for this hairstyle that I'm about to do. So yeah, I will link all their information down below so you guys can check them out. The cost of the hair, guys, is $37. Okay, pretty affordable, and trust me, the hair is, you know, this hair is very soft, so I like it. So we're just gonna jump right into the tutorial, guys, so stay tuned. Yeah, my hair is growing. My hair is growing. I'm taking care of my hair. All right, guys. So my hair is all freshly washed and clean, of course. I washed it yesterday. All right, guys. So the method that I think that I'll be using today is the braid illusion pattern. I think I'm gonna work with that. The illusion pattern, it would definitely look very natural in the front, like it was installed individually, but it's not. So I'm just gonna part some of my hair at the front. I will be, you know, braiding it individual, probably in box sizes, and then I'll attach them together. And for the rest of the hair, I will just braid down.
She said I won't be back in a while. Don't wait. Already packed her bags, called the cab, made space.
Alright guys, so here I have my hair parted. So basically what I'm gonna do is to braid at the root and twist at the end. Same thing for this one, and then I'm gonna attach this to this, you know, and this will create the illusion and let it look a little bit, you know, let it look very individually done.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and that season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. You know like me. You know shine bright like.
Alright guys, so this is it for the braiding pattern. This is how it looks.
So kind of your neck is cold. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend, you had me thinking, oh, must get in and let my head up, like bum bum bum.
Alright guys, so here we have it. Everything is done, and this is how the back is looking. Don't pay the parting any mind, guys. I'm so not good with parting, and this is a protective style, so you don't need to do anything neat. Well, personally for me, I don't really need to part my hair. you know, very neat or exact because it's a protective style and it won't be showing. That's left over. I'm just gonna use the crochet needle and put it in between the braids.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby, take your time, let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going.
Alright guys, so I've completed the back of the hair. This is how the back is looking so far. And I only have 3 packs of hair left. Can you believe that? Only 3 packs of hair left and I only have the front part to do. So, alright guys, so here's the hair. Gonna open it at the top. Then I'm gonna take your latch needle, push it through your hair. Take your hair, put it in it, close the latch, pull the hair under your hair, to the end of the crochet hair, close the latch, and pull it through.
Hey guys, so I'm really liking this hair. I mean, let's talk about the color. The T27 is really giving me life. I really like it. It's super easy to install and trust me guys, it's very lightweight. So remember, you can purchase this hair on Amazon.com. You can search for Perfect Girl Hair, and also their link is down below, so you can just follow that link. Also, they are on Instagram guys, so you can follow their Instagram as well. And again guys, the hair that I'm installing, this beautiful hair, it's 10-inch in passion twist, and they had sent me 8 packs in total, so this did my entire head. Well, to be honest, I did not need all 8 packs, but you know, I said let me just put it in to give my hair a fuller look, but trust me, I did not need it at all. So you guys, again, just check them out, and thank you again, Perfect Girl, for sending me this hair. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below if you're loving this look on me. Comment down below guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and happy holidays to you. Bye.
Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam.